guys. So what I did is I cut this piece of plywood pretty much in 3 pieces so I can have storage right here. As you can see, this is a small bed frame. It's 4 feet. I'm a short person, 5'5", so it works good for me. I got these hinges from Lowe's, so I can use these, lift it up. So there's some storage right there. Finished product or finished frame. Where the storage is gonna go. Bam. Okay, now. Open it like that. It's gonna be storage. Do it again.